this is Trideep and you're watching a brand new episode of Learn with Trideep. In the last few weeks, I have been actually doing a lot of abstract landscape painting in digital medium using either ArtSet or Procreate 5X. And many of the followers, the subscribers and my friends and family, they have asked me to create some landscape painting with Procreate using my iPad. So this particular video will be a quick time-lapse sort of thing, a quick recording of how I usually create an abstract landscape. The landscape, I will try to make it almost like 98%, but it might not be a total finished state because abstract landscape takes around 4 to 5 hours, and it might not be very easy to do everything in one take, but I would try to create a semi-complete landscape and show it to you, and maybe a small video of that landscape, the same landscape, when it actually got totally completed. So without much ado, let's get started. But before that, kindly like, comment and share this video if you have already not done so. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for all upcoming updates. So let's deep dive. So the painting that I will start with will have a basic blue, green, a tinge of pinkish tone and all these things that we will have. So I have taken this color palette. This is the color palette of Galshir. So there's a pop color palette and the rock color palette which I will be using. I will be mix matching this color palette and I will be creating the abstract art. So basically I will just take up first the painting, and in this painting brush library we have a lot of brushes like Salamanca, which I use a lot. I also use jagged brushes when I want to do reflection in the water. Then there is this damp brush which is very nice when you want to cover a broad area. Stucco gives a texture feel to the entire painting, so I create a lot of things with stucco also. So let's first take up the Salamanca, and I will just take this dark blue or the navy blue sort of color, and I will just start painting. So this is the base paint, so don't worry too much about this thing. Wonderful. Great. So now we will take a more darker shade of the same one, and with a damp brush I will start giving the darker tones where I need. I will use the smudge tool and will go on smudging when and required. The light smudge, the smudging will be lighter, and if I press the mixing gets harder. So Just change the brush to wet acrylic and smoothly see how I manage to smoothly stone. Please note, which I always tell, don't cheat. So these things can be achieved through gradient, using a lot of filters, but when you are actually telling your subscribers or followers that you are actually painting, please stick to painting and don't use a lot of filters that are available. That's not the right way of treating your. I will take the dark great. Lovely. So now I will go and pick up this color, and I will take a new layer, and the damp brush, a little, just now I will take the flat brush, let's see, and I will slowly move things up. See what I am doing? I am moving things up from the edges of the color. Always remember what you would have done when the medium is natural medium. Use the same thing, same philosophy over here as well. As I've always saying, So what we are trying to achieve is the dancing of the northern lights or the aurora borealis. I will again go to the palette, as I have predefined certain colors that I will be using, and just always remember, as nature never gives you the exact smoothness or the exact color variation everywhere. We should also make it look natural. Remember one thing, I am not moving out from my color palette. Be very clear about this, that we are not moving out from our color palette. So because of chromatic aberration and the atmospheric temperature and dust particle and everything, usually aurora borealis is green. It looks green from the horizon. Now I will change the brush a bit. I will take up stucco and I will take the lighter shades of green where it is required. I usually like to do non-destructive paintings, so I use a lot of layers. This is the only thing that a natural medium cannot achieve. is this drawing in layers. Always remember the colors should be rough as possible, because always remember there should be an abstract feel to the entire painting. Is what exactly you are drawing. So be very careful about what you are intending to achieve. So stick artists freedom, and so it's more of rough lines to understand very well. See, I am constantly doing a lot of additions to the layers, but I am doing on different layers. Superimpose some lighter shades on the topmost layer. basically and last but not the least, we should have a different layer, and over there just create a pink patch over there, and with a broad brush I will just brush it off. I will also take a bit of this brush and I will just have some level of that's Aurora Borealis for you. And don't forget to definitely sign your painting after you create it. And definitely the date. So that's a very fast and rough sketch of Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis is nicely seen from places like Iceland, and in a recent visit to the US, while I coming back, we saw nice dancing of the northern lights from our aircraft, and I really loved the different tone of colors that can be seen from different angle. So you can go on doing your paintings, overlaying, different sort of overlaying. It's totally up to you. So I feel I should have some bluish tinge over here, so I'm just brushing this thing over here. Yeah, and then as usual you have to brush it off in one direction only. Yes, so this is your dancing of the northern lights. So that's the dancing of the northern lights. So that's all folks for today. Hope you have liked this abstract landscape painting. If you really like the painting, please like, share and comment on this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the notification of my upcoming updates. Till we meet again, goodbye and God bless.